So you want to see the eclipse without burning your eyes. Number one, you get a macaroni and cheese box. Take this part off, and what we're going to do, you'll be able to see the eclipse not facing the sun this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our foil and put it over half and put a hole. What we're going to do, we're going to tape it like this. It's taped. We're going to poke a hole so the light can get in there. And in there you can see your eclipse. Just make sure you're not facing the light. I gotta fix that hole. You can even see it like that. For fun, we made 3 more holes, and you can see, do not face the light when you do it. You can also see them this way. You see double. We made 3 holes. We'll be able to see the eclipse.